So today we are going to be unboxing the March IPSY bag that I got in the mail. So this is the IPSY bag for this month. This month I bought extras, so I got some add-ons. Maybe that's the reason why it took so long to come this time, but I'm not sure. So let's start off with the extras first. First extra that I got is it's called Nude Beach by The Balm. That's what it looks like. And this is an eyeshadow, and I believe it's called Bootylicious. It's a real pretty copper color. Let's see. This is pretty. All the add-ons are an extra $3, so in the beginning of the month before your bag comes, they will ask you if you want to add anything extra into your bag, and so if you do, then you can select, I think, a certain type to come in the mail. So that was the first one. This is the second one. As you guys know, I love Sol de Janeiro's Brazilian Bum Cream. I have the other one that I got from Sephora, as well as the Water and Oil Coco Cabana. I think it's called Coco Cabana. Got this little Sand and Sky Pore Refining Clay Mask. I already have the exfoliator, so I want to try the clay mask to see what that would look like. What we are here for. Okay. So the bag has 5 things in it if you're used to watching IPSY unboxings. Oh, this is cute. So this is a, let me see. Oh, by the way, it's National Women's History Month, so they put this in there, which is super cute. Okay, and so let's see. This is the SL Miss Glam SS62 shader, short shader brush. Okay, so it's packaged, so let's open this up. Oh, this has glitter in the handle. This is super cute. Let me see. And then this is the brush. Oh, this is nice. It feels very nice and dense, so this would be perfect. Another thing that we got is the Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow. I believe this is an eyeshadow, I'm thinking. Oh, let me show you guys how it looks. Okay. Oh, so it's like a green eyeshadow. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna swatch this so you can see the color. I'll just put it right next to the, I guess, Bootylicious eyeshadow that I got. The extra one that I got. Siate. Lip gloss. It's called Call Me. That's cute. It's a lip luster. Oh, it's very sheer, but it has like a little shimmer effect to it, which is like super cute. And then what else do we have? This is the Coconut Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And I haven't tried this out, but I know their facial their facial cleanser by First Aid Beauty is amazing. So, last but not least, we have the Tarte Man Eater mascara. This is super cute. Let me see. This is the applicator. And the applicator reminds me of my Bad Gal Bang Benefit mascara. I think it's by Benefit. But that mascara is bomb. That's everything for this IPSY bag for this month. I'm sorry this is a very late video. I didn't get my bag for the longest time. I hope you guys like this review. If you guys like this review, hit the thumbs up. This bag to me wasn't as wow factor as the other ones were. Like, this bag was, it was okay. The lip gloss, the pencil, which is super cute. If you guys like these type of videos and for me to do more, just let me know in the comment section below, wherever it is. And also, if you like this video and you subscribe, okay, subscribe to the channel, join the fam. Yeah, so until the next video, love you guys.